A very important concept in machine learning is the concept of a test set. And basically what that means is when you're trying to come up with a function modeling some data, you don't want to use all of the data that's at your disposal. Instead, you want to set aside some of that as a test set that you can use to test the function that you wrote. So let's see how scikit-learn has a built-in method to help with that. So I'm going to say from sklearn.modelSelection, import train test split. And here's the syntax for it. This is the main thing I want you to get. So xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest. So this is going to return 4 total things. And how do I call this function? I use train test split x, y, and then I'm going to say what the test size is. And for this, you can either say a number, like the actual number of samples in it, or what I think works a little better is to say, like, what proportion do you want to set aside as the test set? So I'm going to say 0.2, which says that save 20% of this data. So x and y, they're the same x and y from the previous video. And so it's going to save 20% of the x's and 20% of the y's. And I'm 90% sure that it shuffles these, so it won't just be from the end or just from the beginning. Okay, it'll be all shuffled together. And we don't actually have to do this for this particular data set, but it's a good habit to get into. And so let's check some of these. So xtrain.shape. Okay, so this is x was 70,000 by 784. This one is 56,784. And we're supposed to think of this as 56,000 sample points, okay, in some 784 dimensional space. If I look at ytrain, okay, or if I look at its shape, I should say. And so this is good evidence that it's shuffled. Okay, notice how this index here doesn't appear to be in any normal order. So ytrain is also length 56,000. So these are the possible outputs. So like the top row of this data frame. Here, let's check and see if it's really a data frame or if it's a NumPy array. Okay, yep, still a data frame. So the top row of this data frame is going to correspond to the top entry in this pandas series. Okay, and then it's x was 70,000, so xtest is going to be the complement of this, so 14,000. And then if I check, yeah, 14,000. And really all I meant to do was look at the shape, not look at the whole data frame. And if I look at ytest, that will also be length 14,000. Okay, that's all I'll do in this video, since the last one was a longer video. Thank you for watching.